Last summer, the Credit Suisse Research Institute launched a Next Generation competition where we asked students to submit essays answering the question whether the central banks are possibly causing the next financial crisis. We have received several hundred submissions from 51 countries and 115 universities. The top 20 candidates were supported by economists from leading universities in developing their idea further. Then, on an anonymous basis, the best submission was selected. The 2016 CSRI Academy Challenge winner is a young economics student from Bulgaria. She has submitted the by far best paper on the future of monetary policy, and we very much look forward to working further with her and developing her talent.
I decided to join the competition because I've always had a passion for economics and for finance, and for me it was just getting to explore a topic that is very fascinating. Their idea that anybody can showcase their abilities regardless of university, and coming from a university in Bulgaria, that was very valuable to me. What I liked about the competition was naturally the topic, but also the opportunity to work with Professor Michael Bordeaux. It was an amazing experience for me because he just made me think about the problem in ways that I hadn't before, and he gave me extremely useful feedback. If you have some underlying problems, like say Spain's unemployment or Greece's debt, you can't really think that just monetary policy is going to solve the problem, at least not in my opinion. I criticized also the central bank's decisions of negative interest rates to go ahead and use an experimental policy with virtually no track record that you don't really know how it's going to turn out. And I just believe that that's kind of risky in a place like Europe, and probably also in Japan because they have been struggling with deflation. Also, the quantitative easing program was something that I talked about in the paper, and the fact that it keeps expanding and they keep adding more and more assets to the mix, and just encouraging the public to take on even more risk. What I liked about the event was that I got to listen to brilliant people talk and discuss monetary policy. I mean, these were people that I have been admiring from afar so far, and now getting the chance to meet them was amazing. There were people like the chairman of Credit Suisse and Professor Yermak from NYU, Sir Paul Tucker, Sir John Major, and it was extremely interesting because these people have a lot to say about monetary policy. Most of them have been directly involved with it, and they have had years of experience. And that was very, very useful to hear what they were thinking and to hear them present their arguments on their thoughts on central banking.